Hi, everybody. Happy Wednesday. It was so nice seeing you yesterday at our Zoom meeting. So today I'm quickly going to go over our assignments. So let me go ahead and share my screen. Hold on. See if I can get this quicker. I'm on fire. I did it. Okay, so here we go. I'm trying not to jerk too much. So for reading, it looks like you are going to be reading sand sculpture, and you're going to be annotating it for key details. And then after you've done a paragraph, maybe make notes here about what was the main idea of that paragraph. Remember, you don't want to annotate too much, not the supporting details, just the main things you need to remember. So you're going to go ahead and read sand sculpture. Look at that. Make sure to read the captions. I love that. And then going to read that story, okay? And again, you can use a highlighter or a yellow crayon. You can use a pencil to underline things, or you can even use, go on to Benchmark Universe. Okay, the next thing you're going to do after you annotate that story is you are going to read World's Best Glass Art. And the first time you're going to read it in your best reading voice. And then the second time you're reading it, you're going to go looking for possessive nouns. And that means nouns that show ownership. So I wrote possessive nouns here, and I'm going to go through the story, and I'm going to try to find possessive nouns. And so I tried to grab one just to give you an example. And right there, I'm going to zoom in on that a little bit. Whoops, wrong way. Wrong way. Okay, right there, Dale's. It's got an apostrophe S. Something belongs to Dale. Okay, so you're going to go through that, and then you are going to, oopsie, there you go. And then you're going to make possessive nouns. So you're going to read this story 2 times, World's Best Glass Art. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is you are going to work on your brochure. And we did the grammar sections. So you're going to do vocabulary. And these are some of the words you're going to need to know. That is competitions, creations, ancient, construction, scrapers, and transform. Okay, so those are your vocabulary words, and you're going to fill in the spaces. If you're not sure about one of them, skip it and then go to the next one, and whatever word's left out, see if that fits. Okay, right here, you're going to write singular possessive nouns. So any noun that when we make it possessive, we just add apostrophe S, goes here. For instance, the dog's bone was on the ground. Dog, apostrophe S, just one dog. But if there's lots of things, like I said yesterday, the doctor's lounge, there's lots of doctors and it's their lounge. So you would just add an apostrophe. You're going to put your spelling words right there. And then the back side is going to be spelling sentences. Please do your best job. Come up with 5 words. And remember what we did in class? To make our sentences a little different, we would do different letters of the alphabet. For instance, if I said, okay, letter B, and I'm going to use the word cats. Okay, I'm going to start with B. Before I put away the cat's toys, I had lunch. I started with the letter B. Okay, and so try to start your sentences differently to make them a little more interesting. Sometimes I just choose a random letter of the alphabet and try to start my sentence that way. Okay, and then that was grammar. That is your brochure. Okay, next. By the way, always watch all the videos because they're going to take you step by step through things. Today in your opinion writing, you're going to be writing your conclusion, which is right here on the second page. And it actually gives you very specific things that you're going to do in the conclusion. So for instance, on the conclusion, you're going to watch a video and then you're going to make sure to restate your opinion, summarize all the reasons, and give a final thought. And they take you through that on the video in the writing section on your planner. Okay, the next thing you're going to do is math. Excuse me, flip that around. Okay, so this, when it says ring, it means make a circle. Ring, add or subtract. So you're going to ring whether you add or subtract. Check to see if you need to make a new 10 or 100, then find your answer. So if you're subtracting, you're going to be looking right here. Did you have to ungroup? to get 10 ones and to get 10 tens. But if it was adding, you would use these. Okay, so you're going to do that page. And this is interesting. I'm going to do one with you. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do this problem and show you. It says decide whether you need to add or subtract, draw a math mountain, and check your answer by using the opposite operation. If this is a subtraction problem, we are going to need to add to check our answer. Okay, so I'll show you. Let's just do this problem. I have enough ones to take one away from 2 and get 1. I don't have enough tens to give away 8. I only have 3 tens. Ungroup 100. And I'm going to give myself 10 tens here and add those to the 3 I had, and that makes 13 tens. 13 take away 8 is 5. And then 400s take away 100 is 3. Okay, my answer is 351. Now, if I were to make a math mountain, I would have 532, and I took away 181, and I tried to get this number, right? And this number turned out to be 351. To check if I got my answer right, I can take these two add-ins. If I add them up together, they should equal this. Let's try that to see if I got it right. One plus 1 equals 2. There's 2. 8 plus 5 equals 13. I made a new 100. 3, 4, 5. 5. The opposite of subtraction is addition. These 3 numbers, we can make a fact family, and that is the way to check your answer. So again, you're going to use the opposite operation. You have to draw the math mountain. Okay, again, if you want to come to Math Club, we will be doing this today. And there you go. That is your homework for today. And we are all done. And again, I have at 12 o'clock today, I will have Math Club. And if you'd like to come, I would love to have you. And we will work on this together. So have a great night or afternoon.